Oh, I'm late. Late is me. Me is late. Me late. No. Impossible. That's impossible. Well. Gosh. Impossible. Crazy even. Crazy. Crazy. Okay. What did I write on the title? Right, fixes. Oh yeah, fixes. Absolutely wonderful. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Status. Get status. What have you changed? Oh. We zouden iets anders. Run pie? Wait, what's run pie? Where's run pie changed? What have we been doing over here, bro? Oh. Is the extension und... Wait, what extension? What extension are you talking about, brother? I don't know what that guy's talking about. No clue, no clue, no clue. I'm just gonna assume. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but if it's just that. Fuck all you mean? No. Modifications. What is it? What's the difference? Wait. I don't know what the difference is. What do we change? Yeah, I gotta do a logger. Log. I say logger, pull the process logger, say logger. What do we do here? Alright. Wait, so, look, I gotta ask about this. Is it command? Is there, when doing get dip. Holding enter should line, but is there a faster way? Wonderful page. Oh, that's that was a bit too much. Oh, there's a spacebar and F. Oh, grabbity grab. Well, F and spacebar, huh? Oh, useful. Press up or space bar. Look through it. Fast. Yeah. So what happened? This guy, absolutely crazy. Process worker. I don't know what it does. Oh, it's commented out. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Se vuoka. No. We ain't getting that. Okay, what's the next one? TTS worker or something through. I don't think that's what you wanna do. Hold on. Where's my config? Where'd you put the config to? Oh, is that the config? Is that my config? Is that my config? Yes. Okay, fixed TTS playing only one sentence before stopping the fixes. TTS queue. TTS was consuming the queue even while it's consuming the queue. It's consuming the queue while waiting. No, it's consuming the queue. TTS was consuming the queue while waiting. It's consuming the queue while waiting. Waiting for to finish. Concur to finish. Big problem. TTS store created tutor errors and even overlapping audio when using concurrency. Removed concurrency. Added conditional logging for speed and latency improvements. And help add to avoid too much on the screen. Too much info on the screen. Okay, let's do that. You do not need to take that long for that. I could have added the API one. Oh, it's hard. Wait. No. I'm just gonna do this quickly. This one. Activity call async, not async, removed. Await. Yeah. Alright, currently we're about 2-second latency. And that's a problem. That's a problem. A big ass, big old problem. We need to figure out where the bottleneck is. My interpretation. Well, actually, there's multiple interpretations. Multiple ideas. One is that Python is just Python handling the data. The whole glue here, the worker glue here, it's just not fast enough. Maybe it's adding too much latency, or maybe you're handling data wrong. Who knows? Another idea is that the LLM and the TTS are just super slow. A third idea is the audio streaming itself is slow, although it doesn't seem to be. It seems that the moment a yielded chunk is coming, it's done. It's done, like, boom, that's done. So maybe that. Did I say that one idea is to take Python to C++? Well, I said it now. Or C. But more likely we build not a wrapper, but kind of like a PyTorch does it. With their fancy C or C++. Oh yeah, another possibility is that it's the subsystem and Windows. It might be that the delay, since we're not running natively, there might just be too much delay with the system. And that's what's causing the 2-second delay. Well, probably not the 2-second delay, but at least maybe a second delay. So if we assume that the TTS, I believe the LLM's first output is like, I actually remember, maybe it was like 300 milliseconds. And then the TTS output is also 300 milliseconds. And we assume some data transfer, and somehow I assume it's about maybe another 200 milliseconds, or 300, or 400 even, let's just say. That would mean it should finish every 1 second. The data transfer and playback should be 1 second. But somewhere in the line, there's coming in another second's worth of delay. And that's what we're gonna find out. Might also just be a limitation of my resources. Maybe I need a bit more RAM, more GPU power, more something. I'm gonna check what else I can do. Okay, but I think my first investigation has to be TTS. We don't need that immediately. We need to look at the TTS system. TTS? That's wrong. Can I just make a call? A direct call? Oh, maybe I can. Oh, a pain. And I shall. I'm gonna keep that around. I'm gonna do this. Travis? Do you have this? Oh. Sure. Sure. I get no. Send previous request. I actually don't know how it's defined. Text and language and quags. Quags. It's getting a lot of stuff from the config. The init takes in a spat and a device auto. Where do you get the config? Oh. Oh. Right. Let's try this. Python. Or the tedious. Yeah, it's just using CUDA, but I don't know if the tedious even works with the CUDA. Okay. Job for res in job. What's the wait a minute? Oh, it yields it. Rs. No. I think it has to be like this, right? Import found a perf count. Oh wait, right. Found a start. Everyone start. Okay. What's our thirst? How long is this take? Actually, this service is ready. Oh no. Print started. I'm curious. I feel like I could do fast. I feel like it can go fast. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. It took 42, about 430 milliseconds. Milliseconds for that? No good. So great. Fast. Yes, it is. Was yeah. I don't think this changes based on that. Nope. Yeah, it's about 430 to 440 milliseconds. That's pretty big. Pretty devastating. This I need Hmm. Okay. We need. Oh yeah, we're supposed to look. I need to look at the cookie. What in the fuck is this? Oh. Pum pum. Ah, bing bong. Bing bong. I now regret to enable. Oh no. No. Okay. I needed to check out whether let's cook. What's cooking? The radish. The radish. I don't see. Wait, what's in the examples or something? Somewhere in here. Actually, perhaps. Import details. Yes, API import details. Okay, device security. Yeah, let's use that. To device. Where do you put that to device? Huh? What's that? To device. Sub device. Okay, load. Oh, okay. I just put it to GPU. Huh? I was thinking it maybe it may have been on CPU, but no mind, it's on GPUs, which means that it's wasting. It's still scrolling around. I don't need that. I don't need that either. I just need this. We don't need this. I'll do the time. Run. Okay. Print vav. Print the type of vav. Also, start equals perf counter. Ooh. End. Perf counter. Type. Okay. Let's try this. That's good. Good work. Yeah, but No module named. Beep boop boop. Oh, you shut up. What do you mean, no module? Aren't you an ass? What, do you have to do this, eh? I'm coming. Do you really mean that? Do you mean that? Okay, now it's running. Class list. Yeah. Now, what kind of list is it? Wait, I'm back to 0.323. It's like way too long. I kind of want to do this, but fine. Do it twice for me. Do it twice. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be warmed up or something. No, maybe it's just cold. Well, that was okay, useless. Well, it brings back a fucking list of stuff. So we can't use the API directly. That's shit. And that shit is pointless. Great. Well, it seems that the speed difference, the speed issue is still there, so... Doesn't even matter. Don't even matter. Oh, no. No. It's real? Is it really? Is it really? Oh, me. Hello. Huh? Okay, still slow. Still slow. This would only be marginally faster. Oh. I mean, I guess it can be faster. Okay, 0.27. Wow. Terrible times all around. Ew. Ew, so slow. I would have liked to use their API, but man. Oh, that is all over the place. Okay. Oh. That's tough. That's troublesome. That's so slow. It doesn't appear to be much fast. Yeah, this is terribly slow. Okay, so the TTS API is not good. Damn. Damn. They have a tummel. Oh, it's a frog. I looked at this as a weird ass cat. Or a bunny. Yeah, we got frog, right. Shite. The TTS. Yeah, I don't really mind that. Languages, wait, do you? Does anyone have anything else? Loading from a path, Name, progress bar, too cute, too cute, too cute. Language IDs, view coder, Oh, use too cute, okay. There's no use. Here's the actual TDS system they have. It makes a synthesizer call, then returns the value. I've got, where's the synthesizer? Is it in utils? TDS utils. But synthesizer goes calls, I think it calls the synthesizer, right? Shit for me. What do I go upside down? Wow. Synthesizer and that TTS, yeah, okay. Have you own TTS? Do you have a TTS as well? Hi, bro. Load. TTS. Load. Wait, TTS? Quags. No. Wait, what's the difference, brother? What do you return, actually? What do I think about it? List of waveform, I don't know calling it directly myself is. I don't think it would speed it up. Oh. I think it used that synthesize. Specifically, if I remember correctly, it used dot synthesize to actually synthesize. I can't reference web. I'm gonna look at the one we use. Okay, this is config. Embedding, okay, ID embedding, whatever. Transfer voice. Synthesis, right. TTS, mini TTS utils and transfer voice. No, synthesis. Voice. Okay, model config. Trim silence, transfer voice. Reference. Right. Okay. So how does this do its job? I'm pretty sure it calls one of them. It returns the VAV here, but I want to know what it's doing elsewhere. Put in underscore VAV, model inference voice conversion. I wonder where it's getting that from. It seems to be only here. Wits? Where? Oh, it's actually somewhere. It actually exists. Holy crap. It actually exists. That's unbelievable. There's inference mode. Okay. Inference voice conversion. We have to spec. Conversion. Actual length. Why? So where's VAV to spec from? Who defines VAV to spec? There's transforms VAV to spec. Spectral, I guess? Something. I don't know what words it's talking about. Wits. It's usually the wits. What's the wits for? I'm guessing it's specific tool. I want a better tool. I want better access. Okay, what if we try the XTTS specifically? What if we look into its inference? Okay, it has this, but what if? What if, bruh? Text splitting, do not, I guess. Size? Do you have the non-stream version? Okay. Oh my god, I hit that. Compatible? No. Evaluate? Define init config? No. Forward? No. Okay, that's not it. Handle chunks? Oh, what is this? Handle chunks, okay. Generate develop gen, okay. I'm not curious about that as much. It seems to be for the inferencer. Oh, this is basic inference. It seems to take the exact same argument, so mayhaps we can just call that. I'm gonna try that. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm having hopes. I'm having hopes. I hope. Oh. Sure, whatever. Let me take that out, this out. Tedious request. Okay, let me see if I can just do inference instead. And here, instead of doing this and oops. Inference. Oops, nope, job. I wonder if that works out of the box. Only one way to find out, which is to run it. Eh. Oh. Ah. Oh. 1.5. Wait. What? A generator? What kind of fucking generator are you? Huh? I don't want to print it out. I want to know what this is. It was on 1.5 seconds, by the way. It's 1.52 e to the e minus 05. I don't think that's right. Stream chunk size, fuck. Oops. I plead oopsie. I always love that. Inference, pure inference. Okay, so you take text, stream params, yours is text. So I'm taking the chunk, the overlap. We take the length penalty, yep, top K, top P, repetition penalty, yes, you take the temperature, don't you? You do, and speech speed. Now, I guess this has to be speed. And about like splitting, I don't know if that's necessary. Or we can always see. Beams? Wait, what do beams mean? I know there's something. There's something useful. Speed? Oh, I need to open some way. It's supposed to be speed, not speech. Well, buddy, what in the Google did you do? Just return that stream. And hey, wait a minute. Wait just a dang minute. Oh wait. Whatever. What the fuck is that? Okay, 2 seconds for a class of dictionary. And I understand this as what? Return Vev. Okay. What are you? Web chunk. You yield the web chunk, but that guy yields nothing. I don't know. Fucking hell, mate. Oh wait, you don't. Wait, what? Generate? It doesn't yield the actual stuff. At least that doesn't seem to be the right stuff. Unless. Unless. Get all of that. The bytes. How about the bytes? Yeah. How about we do that? Awesome. Ah, plans. What do I need latents for? I don't think that's good knowledge. Okay. It's your CPU. None of that. Okay. We assume. Let's just assume that this is a finished. Finished? I don't think so. I don't think so. I gotta be honest. I think this is lacking. I think you need to still do cleanup, right? Oh, full inference. What the fuck do you mean there's a full inference and then an inference? Wait, no, that's not it. You return this, asshole. Oh, wait, no, it does. Because you need to call the full inference. Well, it says at least it returns audio. Do you have speed? No, you don't have speed, do you? Oh no, we don't have the speed. I'm gonna run it anyways. Yeah. What's the speed though? Why doesn't this guy have the speed? Eh. Where's the speed? The multiple values for temperature. Oh, how gas. Hey, you get one temperature and then you get your own temperature. Shut up. Oh. Language. Wait, do you take in the latents? I don't think you have that. Oops, I have self that. GPT latents. I don't think that's how this works. I don't think that's how any of this works. I don't think it isn't even taking the embedding. It's not taking the embedding. What is in the utils? Okay. Okay, I don't know how to do this. What do... Those... No, stupid. Do you at least have the length penalty? Repetition penalty, but not length penalty. Okay. Oh, do you have it? Okay, the P, repetition, temperature, speed, and no, text split. Had nothing. Has nothing for the text split. That's stupid. That's stupid. What else kind of fancy stuff do you have? I don't think it appreciates my temperature. The location of the temperature, that is. Ah, yeah. Boo, boo. What happened? What are you complaining about? Oh, shit. What was the key argument? Oh yeah, I guess ref path equals it equals that. I'm glad he got a fucking dick back. Cool. But there is a question. How fast can a single word be? Damn. Just terrible. It's actually no different than the API. And the API does, I don't know what the fuck it does actually. Or it returns, but it returns some kind of weird ass shit. Oh no. Holy crap, it took you 1.37 seconds just to get the hello. Just to get a hello out of that shit. Yeah, 1.703. What if it has like a, I don't know, exclamation? Exclamation! Maybe if it has a sentence stopper, it'll be better. Somehow, yes. Okay, that performance is all over the place. Even from 1.7 to 0.58 to 0.39. 136. Ah, man. Okay, it's no different from the API. So that's positive, I guess. No, well, it seems to jump around a shitload. Okay. Alright, let's undo our destructive behavior. Oh well, what are we doing? Nope. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I have a lot of fun here. Speed no, nah. The speed no matter what is 600, anywhere from 300 to 600 milliseconds. Yeah, it keeps going up, huh? Okay, well, that's great. That's great, and it's fantastic. It doesn't really have any, huh? Nah, what's it gonna do? What happened? Okay. It's not authentic, but I don't think it matters for this. This is not defined. Oh, right. Ha ha ha. Oh. Uh, 0.38. So 380 milliseconds for that. It's just not really beating the stream, huh? Aim for the stream where chunks change back to chunks. Yields chunks it so fast. Too fast even. Or, well, not fast, but it is fast enough. About, no, it's not, there's a double. 20, 40, 270 milliseconds. So the initial one is 370 milliseconds, then it's 270, about 270, you know. So the first one is the longest, but then it's a lot faster, okay. That's not good. I need to take a look, I must look at my body. Do you have your stuff still? Where's this guy going? Oh, right here. Right here, here's where you go. How to do this? Oh, God. The text down. Yes. Oh, fuck off. I did not mean. What do you mean? What do you mean? I did not say shit to you. Oh, why are you trying to import? Oh. Ridiculous. Oh, yeah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm seeing the issues, huh? Ooh. That was some shit, huh? .33. So it's about 3.7 plus 0.335. I'm glad that Bing doesn't have an extra calculator. This makes so much sense. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. The inference speed is terrifically horrific. It takes 300. It takes about, we can say, if you just round everything up, we can say it takes about 800 milliseconds. Oh, it takes about 800 milliseconds to go from. It takes about 800 milliseconds to go from. Wait. Let's say this. The element generation, the actual dialogue generation, takes until we get our first chunk. Actual true chunk, I guess. I wonder what this speed would be. I don't imagine it's much better. Well, it technically says that it's faster, but let's not lie to ourselves. The fuck? My keyboard changed to Japanese. That's not useful. Yo, just bring it out. Output. Do it line by line. Actually, it doesn't matter. It makes some space, weird space stuff. So this isn't even useful. It doesn't strip itself. I like that. Anyways. That's odd. Well, that is a bit odd. Or interesting how speed is gained. Oh, we went to 0.29 speed, which means about 300 millisecond speed. 300 millisecond speed. Without the if statement, we are so much faster, huh? I guess. Man, I guess even the small things, even the very small things increase the latency be a shitload. That's not good. So if every if statement is doing this, no wonder we're getting... Every if statement adds almost 7 milliseconds of shit. Will be fun. Oh no, it's 0.3 milliseconds for that. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Oh nope, absolutely nope. It's actually the same. It's not the same. Actually 270 milliseconds or something. So the if statement's impact is kind of minimal. Either way. Either way. Oh, either way, it's at best we're dealing with like 0.7, so 700 millisecond delays. From somewhere in there, we're getting another. We're getting about double latency. Hmm. Thank God we have AI. Yep. Workspace. I don't want to bother with everything, so I'm gonna do xtts deploy. Yep, and is that all? Is that all? I think it is. What the fuck is this? xtts pi workspace, xtts pi. Yeah. Pi audio. It is wizard. Okay. I think it's honestly data transfer. Okay. Back to TTS6 audio. We also gotta give it, man, I gotta give it a text. I'm very sure, by the way. Let's go. Okay, I think that's it. It's the TTS, the pi audio playback system, and the text generation. Just Okay. I was thinking about this, how to work this. When run individually, the LM comes out with a for actually comes out with a puff with a of point of about the 360 milli seconds for the first chunk. Chunk, and the TTS comes out with a, well, actually I don't even remember. With around 330 to 300 millisecond latency for first chunk. A total is about from this we can from this the estimated is around 500 to 600 790 about some milliseconds. In reality, however, about a 2-second latency from the acidity, from the moment the acidity maybe I need to give it the acidity, the point acidity worker. Oh no, you can find that yourself. He has finished detecting speech. All the way the audio being played back. Your task is to investigate and figure out not only what is causing such a large latency to occur, and simultaneously, okay, let's not use simultaneous, that's again right, and also I can't write it right now, my brain is cooked, but also because I wanna, let's keep it simple and figure out a plan of action, a plan of action to further lower the entire latency. Whether this requires latency it does not matter how much refactoring it requires, and what kind, whether and what kind. LM, RCP, well, I don't, TTS, the workers, rewrites, the goal is sub 1 second latency at minimum. I did say it, but yeah, I don't want to know how much latency Windows is adding. The subsystem to Windows communication is adding. The bridging. I could be doing a lot. I don't know. Wait, I think I'm also using headphones. A Bluetooth headphones, so I think I'm might be cooked. No, but I did check. The video, so it seems and then about 1 second, about 2 seconds. Minimum, even lower, is highly desirable. I can use no. Let me add context. Web. Fine. Rewrites, or even using completely different libraries / assistants. Go with someone is desirable. But also to figure the blood reflection have latency. It doesn't matter how much reflection is regardable. It's sub 1 second latency at minimum, even though it's highly desirable. Okay. What do you suppose are the chances? I'm gonna send it. Brrr. Now, wait. We got other stuff to fix while we wait, so that's not terrible. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait. Oh no. Oh wait. Wait. Didn't we do that fast? Okay. I'm gonna go like a piss. I'm gonna get the drink. And also, I'm gonna get my laundry out of the machine. So I'll be back and I don't know, let's say 15 or 5. I don't know. Let's see how fast I can come. Wait. Okay, yes. We'll go with that. Oh, I didn't mute. Oh, hello, Bob. 93 minutes? No, there's a... It's only 93 minutes. Only. Yesterday was 9 hours. Oh, hey. Let's go do something. Oh, Pro's back. Yeah, I'm back. Surprising timing. Shocking timing. Turns out, the washing machine was not done when I went to look at it. Anyways, well, that's busy figuring out the next plan of action. We need to fix the live shop worker, right? Bitching. TDS. Oh wait, that's... Yeah, going. I had to look at this, not the services. I believe the issue was that there's an async, but it's not... It's not doing what it's supposed to be. I am feeling better. I'm feeling good. I'm very rested. I slept. I felt good when I slept. Actually, I woke up with a headache, but now I feel great. How about you? How's your stuff going? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wish, wait. I may have said it before, I don't know. But I officially graduated. I'm officially an engineer. But I can't even get unemployment. The system's broken. It's not my fault for once. Oh wait, it kinda is my fault. But that's besides the point. Oh no, Cloud, you wanna fix my issue for me? Wait. Oh. The poll their answers, right? It can't be, or they can be. Wait, didn't I already modify it? What happened to you? Oh. No, this guy. This guy. This guy. It's all about YouTube. That'll work. Shit. Okay, I don't know what doing ask about that, what's I wonder if we have enough enough memory in here. Nope. That's been overridden by previous runs. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's check what the actual error is. There we go. What do you want to do if you fix codes? Looking for a job, maybe? Oh, I will never fix. There's too much. There's constantly fixable code. Don't worry about that. But job. First get into unemployment, then maybe I'll look for some work, but it'll be freelance work. I don't think I'll bother with a full job. I still want my master's degree. We're about, well, it's actually technically less than 6 months until I can apply. But that's some time. Yeah, then. Katsi mä veskin pitää. Bonk. Esen kortimmet. Thanks, Claude. Thanks, Claude. They don't have the new Gemini yet. I don't know why they want Python X. Maybe that's the whole point. Maybe that's what the Adusla was talking about. That you can run natively. But it doesn't work for me. It doesn't have all the libraries. They do. Hmm? What Cloud, what do with it? Ooh. What'd you terminate? What is this buddy doing? Okay, fine. Yep. Yep. There you go. There you go. Now import, yeah, your imports. Seems fine. Let's see, it didn't do anything weird, right? Nope. Config. Yes. Yes. Of the queue. The queue. What the hell is this talking about? What is this? Oh. Hey, there's a bot. Idiot. Like an hour late. No record for you. Anyways, this is fun. Oh yeah. Create. Nope. Yes. Nope. Control fetch message. Yeah, that seems fine. Yeah. Yes. On that set. Sure. Yes. Fetch. Clear. Until complete. Fetch. You may lose your connection. Oh. I think that fixes that problem. There's one way to find out, Imploded immediately. Yahoo! Oh, that's why. That's why. Oops. It just happened to forget this. Alright, alright.
I see you've joined in with.
Oh man, what the hell is up with that? That guy. The TTS guy. Okay, that was weird. Anyways, it works on a technical level. Gotta figure out other stuff. No, it would have been the TTS, right? Man, Kaku, stop opening yourself. Jesus Christ, mate. What's that? Deep. The status. Okay, what's the current status, buddy? Modified. Text. Issue. Loss. Issue. Yep. Brrr. Meow. Get status. For and for masters. Whoosh. Can I push this? Probably. Oh wait, this is the multiprocessing branch, right? Nah, it's fine. Well, that's a good plan from me. I have a plan. There's my notes. There's my note. Good. Oh yeah. Good. Stop having that weird shit everywhere. Well, we agreed upon this. That's the other one. Yeah, that would do to fix many of our issues. Okay. Some raft. What? How can you be behind? Ooh. Divergent branches and you can. Oh. Fuck that got me. Let me check the insides. Inside information, baby. Oh my god. Okay, so what's this shit? I need to check these branches. Uh, what you how to check uh get up. Hmm. I'll check repo. Wait. Commit history of local repo. The specific repo. Oops. Oh. Good log, good log. Wizard? Okay. Show me what the issue here. Huh. Hmm. I'm gonna check that. Position 45. Hmm. Ah. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Actually, okay. What? Honestly, but there's a differing. Where's that one? Ah, let me search. Hmm. Hmm. Alright, alright. Alright, well. What are we looking at? We're looking at something. As I was looking for something. I forgot what it was. I got distracted. Not that. Not this. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Right. But complain. What did you complain about again? Oh. I guess I forgot to do the git pause. Hmm. But, The current range is behind remote. Right to pull. Know it. Body version branch. Okay, that's complaining about two things and different things at the same time. Yeah. Oh. ABC, ABC, ABC. Oh, okay, what if I do that? What's the pull on main? Main rebase, I guess? Surely this could only work, right? It never fails, right? Oh, come on, what are you talking about? Yeah. Sash about. Oh no. Ooh. What the fuck you mean? I gotta get a bot? That's a stupid ass shit. A bot? Yum. No. Well, you know, I can't open no fucking files. I'm gonna tell it. Shit. Rebase. Rebase. Abort, I guess. Abort the baby. Okay, let's not rebase while this guy's busy doing stuff. I'm gonna do pull stuff in. Add, bars, conflict and get, no. Oh, yeah, that's a funny idea. Oh, yeah, funny idea. Yeah, funny idea to open. How do I... the rebase removed the files. How exactly do I open in an edit? Files. Files, okay. Oh, I don't think that's it. Oh my god, what's it? That's what it's talking about weird ass shit. What does this do? Damn, can you be quiet? Yep. I was looking at this. My rebasing. Oh, that is not happening. That imploded. But also... Did the LiveSec client only now die? My god. What's your friends and family? Friends? Don't have them. Family? Don't know. I think they're fun. We talk only every couple of 100 billion years. Or a couple of times in the year. But I presume they're fun. Oh. Oh, this one. Okay, we're still in the game. Didn't explode everything. Okay, we're gonna have to... We're gonna have to be a lot more careful. This almost imploded hard, and I was about to lose my shit. I'm gonna have to copy that. Yep. Do you have like trauma happen in your family, or is different perspective? Holy fuck. What the hell is this thing doing? That Twitch child client is still running. Holy crap. I did not die. And it goes, do you have drama? Different perspective? Oh, it's not like that. We just, that's just the way things are. You know, I'm on good terms with all my family. But there's nothing to really talk about. So we don't talk too much. Every now and then, like for birthdays or something like that. What is eeping? My mom don't want me to wear headphones. Why not? That's completely headphones are completely reasonable. Oh. Okay, wait. Wait, maybe, an idea. Take a copy of that. Because headphones are gonna be like hair issues. They aren't. They be deaf. They really aren't. I mean, unless you blast music at full volume. Or any sounds at full volume. You can have similar issues with speakers. You can blow your ears with those as well. Now we have this. Wait, we need to go this guy. Only one of these knows something important. It wasn't this guy. That's not this. Uh-oh. Ah, crap. I'm gonna have to give it new data. Okay. Okay, where's that stuff? X Llama, where are you? Your code is mine. Hmm. What if this, and this? Yeah. Okay, anyways. Is this my file? Is this the file? Where's the model? Models. Where's your embedding? I think it was embeddings. Okay. Did this have anything? It does. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Brr. There's some good to read. Some Python code to read. Read. Maybe if I do this. The task is to read the provided Python code. Afterwards, you will be provided more code to read. After all of this, asked a question. Oh wait, never mind. Which I will provided with more code to read and a question that you understand. Do you understand? Let's go. Understand. Understand. Wait, what do you mean? Run your runneth. Well, in position 25. Hell yeah. I don't know why they even have fast requests. Can't even use. Can't even use. Okay. Read that. Holy crap, 20. Okay. Alright. Okay. Do your job, Gemini. I need you to understand your code. Oh yeah. Except this is just in case, we'll do it like this. Oh my. What? Well, that makes. What? What? I can't read this. How am I supposed to read this? Okay, I'm gonna read this. Yeah. Get done. Oh, that's the condition for that. Eh? Go to fools. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna do this. Ah shit, I'm gonna do this. Okay, do that. Do this. Do this. Do this. from my Ooh. No. This way. From my understanding, the something here. Okay. I think that's the embedding is maybe can be used to provide the generator with an image to an image that the vision capable LM can understand. Am I correct? And if so, how do we feed an image to the LM? Version LM. Oh man. I wanna know how to do this. We're going whizzing. We're getting a whizzing, baby. But we actually have the LM for it. We just don't have the method of feeding it. We can't feed data. But soon we will be. One day soon. What did I do there? Oh, that's unimportant. I got all these spamming me with code, okay. Applications, yeah. Okay, that seems reasonable, but whatever. Nah. I thought about giving to Grok, but Grok's gonna hit the limit. Your intuition is spot on. The embedding experiment is precisely how you feed an image to everything capable. Yeah. How to go to suppose this parameter name, the parameter embedding sound. I'm assuming it stands for multimodal, which is term. It's doing something. It was doing something. I don't know. I didn't see. Which term? For multimodal. Oh, multimodal. Oh. That types of data like text and images uses in modal forward pass. In the iterate again method of text llama dynamic generator, we can see where these embeddings are used. Active embeddings plus equals job embeddings device logic model forward chunk index embeddings. Okay. Which holds embeddings are collected and passed directly to model's forward chunk method. This is the mechanism for injecting pre-processed image data into model's attention layers. Okay, how do we get that data? Use it during the organization to generate method shows that embeddings are passed during the initial encoding step. Okay, that's cool. Cool. This implies that the organizer needs to be aware of the embeddings to correctly handle special image placeholder tokens. Cool. Wait, what? Oh. How to step-by-step guide the feeding an image video vision language LMs don't process raw image pixels directly within the transformer. They don't? Okay, sure. Instead, a separate vision encoder, often a model like Clip's vision tower, processes the image first, turning it into a sequence of embedding vectors. The LM then treats these embeddings as if they were tokens. Okay. Is a general workflow to use an image? Load the image and pre-process it with the vision encoder. Models built-in vision processing capabilities to get the image embeddings. I have methods for this. Alright, everything has a method. What is that method? Create an actual Vtuber embedding object. Okay, acts as a container for the image embedding tensor you created in step 1. No. Associates the raw tensor with the model. Okay. Where it associates the raw tensor with the model. Okay. Prepare a text prompt the placeholder. Should be inside of a most based models. This is simply image. Okay, that's gonna be a mess. And go to prompt and create the job and create the generation job. You will provide both text and the embedding object. Okay, the basics seem simple. Dynamic embeddings. Ooh. 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 Okay, peel image. Okay, open the image. Yeah, that's basics. They're very basic. Image embeddings tensor, a model vision encode. Peel image. Vision encode. Will have model. Well, you're asking for a lot from this model. Okay, so this is gonna be a goddamn mess. We have to figure out how that's gonna work out. Okay, cool. Oh god. Oh no. I don't think there's enough information for this. Performance, I don't really care about that. Actually, I do care about performance, but that's besides the point. Oh. Open it there, full. Options. This is not that. Ooh. Ah, shit. All these are all this can be. Chat by example, no formatting, dynamic gen, inference, band strings. Laura? Huh. Stream, TP. Multiple? Grounding, Gwen. That's an interesting guy. Interestingly named guy. Multiple video? Wait, how did these work? Oh, how? Oh, yeah, bro. It's right now? That is probably true. Come on, overwork yourself? For real, for real? I won't. Probably. Take care of that, buddy. You as well. You as well. Have a good night. Sleep well. See you later. See ya. Bam, bam. Ooh, wait. Ooh. God bless you, buddy. You too. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. What's the torch doing? Oh. Greedy, okay. Or directory. What is that guy? What is Gwen 2.5 V1 7B? Oh, wait, oh, it's VL, not VI. I'm just a bit of a fool. Images, okay. Huh? 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 Oh, you would, yeah. File or URL, okay, I'm understanding. Just grab the image. No instruction, right. Instruction for what to do with the image. Okay. Oh, I get it. Okay. Okay. Initialize model, config model, okay, back sequence. X vision model, X llama V2 vision tower. Oh. Oh. Oh my. What's the config then? What a directory? Yeah. So I would take the went to model, it would take the model directory, then it would use the XLM2 vision tower. Vision model, okay. Okay, what do we do with that? Let me load the actual model. Okay, load auto split. Alright. What do I want this, but whatever. Wait, a multimodal grounding. I don't actually know what this is supposed to be. Okay. Model directory, bbox mode. Okay. Load. Oh, so this is, I suppose it's meant as a direct loader. It's not the type I need, but whatever. Thank you. Yeah. To include in select text tag. Okay. Convert images to embeddings. Aliases can be given explicitly with the text alias argument. Where we use automatically assigned unique identifiers. I think that's fine. Image embeddings, get image embeddings. Okay, model tokenizer. I just want the tokenizer. Is it needs text llama v2 tokenizer? Ah, terrible. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Hello. Hmm. Ooh. You understand the basics. Hmm. 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 Ah. Ooh. Huh. Let me check. Okay. I'm becoming extremely suspicious as to how we're gonna fine tune June. Hmm. Okay. Has a model. Seven has a model. Damn. Let's think about how to make this. Brrr. Well, what are the plans here? I need to create a new. No, I need to modify the models greatly and create a new tool. Oh, that's gonna be tough. Well, not tough in of itself, but it's gonna be tough trying to do it while waiting for Cloud to finish the job. Finish its current job. Hmm. We are screwed. Hmm. I have a good plan for this. I can only go bail. I don't wanna modify it while that's trying to do anything. Hmm. Sure. Okay. Hmm. How do we do this? How do we wanna do this? Brum. Oh, it's doing something. And it's back to queue. Back to the queue. I've been banished back to the queue. I want to copy the raw file. Let's create new stuff here. I'm not me create anything, but this, we're gonna set this up. Input system bad. Okay, I don't really sure whatever. Import exclamatory import everything. Do I current off? No, thanks. Me. Let's print options precision mode. I guess it's whatever. It's torch. Torch will print out stuff. Right, so this is what's setting. Mode. You shall be. Gwen 2.0. Okay, for this. Shit. Brother. You're gonna have to do. As I tell you, you're gonna have to do as I tell you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna work out. It's gonna work out so well. I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna paste it here. This is pasted, then we have what we need. I think metal. How about this? How about it? How about this, huh? Oh. Yeah. Yes. Ooh. Mysterious. Ooh. Okay, we got the well, I guess we could say I guess we could say that this is gonna be this would be the model directory. It would have like this. Greedy true. I don't know what the greedy even is for. Is it real? Oh, kitten. Is it real? Is it real? Is it a real image? Oh, I'm gonna totally check it out. Oh, it's cat. It's two cats. One with a kitten. Cat with a kitten. Wow. Described the image. Actually, I'm at the video config. Okay, you get the config. Model actually I'm at video config. With two cache. Yes. My max sequence length is way higher. Way higher. I don't know if I'm going past 65,000. if I can even realistically. If there's any realistic scenario where I go 8,000. I'm pretty sure that might be tokens. Unless it's not, in which case. You examine those guys. Get image. Offset file or URL. And dot file and URL. If file Script was bad. Okay. Else get URL. Okay, we can get from URLs. But we'll have more value out of files. It's more like we'll build a screenshot system. I'll take a screenshot, then I'll look at the file. But the basics are there. Placeholders. Join IE. What the fuck is an IE? Oh. Okay. But when prompt is that? Okay. Placeholders plus. Wait. What's the pluses? I guess I ever do them. That's very weird. You could have used an F string. But whatever. Streaming. I would tokenize. I was embeddings. I guess week 1 and then week 2, 3, month 1, month 2 plus. You think it is gonna take months? Brother, we're not here for that long. We're gonna figure out this issue. Analyzing term. Okay, root causes of highlighting multiprocessing overhead. Yeah, I kinda had a feeling. This is a relation between processes adds significant overhead. Okay, I can know it. I don't know if our guys their problem, but sure. Each component waits for complete input before starting. Is there streaming processing streaming chunks? I mean, they do have chunks. The chunks is different. I think you may have. On each request. Model loading inefficiencies, model loading, conditioning, latent computation, and each request frequently GPU allocation, deallocation, whisper model, last model. Ignore that. Inefficient audio pipeline? No. No. Frequent IO. More format conversions in the pipeline. I think I misunderstood a lot of this stuff, but sure. There's one architecture target 600 to 800 milliseconds. Well, that is pretty high. Replace multiprocessor with async threading. Copy data passing throughout. Well, we kind of already have that. God damn it. So we're going back to our old services. Well, at least we have them still. So That's really an issue. I'm proposing a weight balance throughout on streaming. We already have that. The audio stream is the only thing that I don't really expect us to do that. The system models keep all models loaded in memory. Pre-computed conditioning. Cached conditioning latents. Phase 2, okay. This might do something. Phase 2 component optimizations. I see the optimization. I am start writing stuff down. The services. Services, fine, I mean, you can read, can't you? Okay. Okay. Okay, some notes. Notes for you. One. Oh. TDS does in fact not wait for some notes for you. For async stuff, we already have the services. Services as a pipeline. Pipeline, look at that, look at that. None up there. How much improved? Here's just in fact not wait for complete sentences. For complete sentences, for complete responses. The LLM as it responses, it takes whatever it can get out of the queue. LLM other stream. I'm not curious about those, I guess. Okay. LM already finds the first chunk with a terminator and sends it to the queue. Repeats this for as long as there's no more data. No more data? Oh, I didn't actually. I didn't think about it. one flaw in my plan, in my understanding, in my plans, my testing, rather, was that, whoopsie, and I call oopsies, I claim oopsies, is that this didn't actually end at the first Terminator. It ended at the the first chunk, I got. Isn't that what I said? Might actually be part of the issue. Do you know about the sentence Terminators? What I would like to do. Sentence reduce. No, that's not it. Oh. Name message. Where's the Terminator? Oh, content sentence Terminator. Okay. Import. Oh, it would need to be like this. So we'll need this. Well, that was fast. Even then it was fast. It doesn't take that long for it to reach there. The center stemmer is not the bottleneck. Or it can be. So it can take anywhere between like 200, 300, 280 milliseconds all the way to even 500 milliseconds just to send this terminator. Okay, that's what's the longest it could be? It seems to be about 400 to 500 milliseconds, the longest ones. It's not horrific, but it can be. That means we have a very tight window for speed. An incredibly tight window. Whatever. Yeah, it doesn't seem like we're getting exactly above 4 to 500. But that's bad. But it can be bad for stuff. So, we have a problem. We have some problems, don't we? But it takes track consistent enough in code base and context. I've only really used Tra, so maybe not the best question for me, but for my purposes, pretty much, it seems to do fine for the most part. It does have some issues, but I think there's more of the LLMs themselves. But for the most part, it seems to do just fine for me. When I get out of the queues, and it starts doing stuff. Yeah, what was this? This, but no, it doesn't. The lies. I said lies. This is the audio stream. Does need? I'm fully on board refactoring the audio stream. But we do need to keep the ability to stop the audio from being wait, to pretty much stop the audio playback. Okay. Replace polyprocessor with async threading. Okay. I don't see if this can happen. Bond. Yeah, I mean it already does that. Optimize persistent models. Loaded memory. I've used Cloud's code and it's pretty consistent with the code base and context. Yeah, it does seem pretty good. Right now it's if it gets it's the general problem of if it gets too much code, it does have a tendency to hallucinate things that aren't real. But you know that's a problem with every model. So far, only the Cloud Sonnets and Gemini's are the best. GPT occasionally has something good, but the DeepSeek Reasoner it's just all over the place. Now, if only they brought in Grok, that could be interesting. Could be very interesting. Okay, what else is it whining about? Yeah, that's fine. How about that model management? Alright. Reasonable initialize during startup. Sure. Use base or small instead of large v3. No. CPU load 16 for GPU. I think we do that already. I don't know actually. Go with tests. Basis, utils, config. Oh, we're using float 32. I guess we can drop it. I'm not super. That's not the most concerning. Although I guess if it's eating away at the processing power on its own, then it might just be ways the other models like TTS and the LM may not be able to work at maximum capacity. Or at least immediate. Reduce max tokens. Initial response length for faster first chunk. I don't know about this. Oh wait, you can do this? Okay. I didn't know changing these would affect the speed. Boundaries. I don't think this is our issue. We're gonna ignore. Initial response. That doesn't seem like it'll work. Would it be effective to directly give some tasks directly to the AI? Depends on what you mean. But yes, it's pretty effective. If you just ask it to do something, it does it pretty well. But just like with all the LLMs, it does require that you know what you're doing. You have to kind of know what you're asking for it to do. Otherwise it'll do something magical. You do have to clean up its mess afterwards. Oh. This is not... Next the LLM next production won't do anything. It just won't do anything really. It's already yielding chunks. Either way. Early stop LLM early stopping. It's not the desired, and is like to increase. It's likely to increase latency more than it is to reduce it. Yes, optimization. This will go all over the place. Reduce stream size. Okay, wait, what? I guess that's an idea. Increase stream chunk size. Overlap. Okay. Optimal sample rates and bit depths. Yeah, you're asking me to do a lot. I don't know enough about audio. IO frequency. Minimize audio data copying. Okay. Advanced optimization, sub 400 milliseconds. I'm gonna be shocked if we get anywhere close to them. Fast STT. Consider Whisper CPP. Oh yeah, C++. Okay. Speech T5 or real-time models. Alright. That's the TTS. Evaluate fast speech to bits or streaming optimized models. Okay, well, buddy, we've been looking at stuff for a while. I don't know how optimal they are. Wits, VIT, Wits. Is this a real guy? Is this a guy? Maybe. Learning for end-to-end text-to-speech. TTS, yeah. That's 4 years ago. Oh. Da 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 da. Yeah. This performance has all kinds of stuff, huh? Huh. We'd need a custom model, brother. Huh. It's not like we can't look into it, at least, I guess. So the seed, yeah. What a model, wait. Oh, okay. Sure, that might, if that works. I doubt it. Roman for languages, install Roman package, okay. You can check if tokenizer requires a Roman jump before below. Neither. Tokenizers Roman, no. Okay, I guess width is something to look at. Width model from here. I mean, at least we can look at it. It seems simple enough to test out. What's the deal? I guess we can test out width. Let's make a note of this. Now test out width to this model. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put this here. There's a little link to that. Okay. Fast speech 2. 4 years ago, my dude. Holy crap. I'm pretty sure this is dead ass. Must have been dead for a long time. Dependable? 3 years ago, 2 years ago, well. How many branches do you have? 1. I don't imagine this is fast. Release checkpoint. I don't know, it's just gonna... How fast is this? It didn't seem to say anything. And about the speed. What's about speed? What's the speed? How fast can this be? I don't think it is that fast. Also, it's not maintained, so... Kinda causes issues. Not gonna lie. TTS. Audio streaming. I don't think this is gonna find anything. Oh, this has something. I see. Is it use low latency text to speech? Okay. Okay, but what's your latency speeds? Because I'm kinda struggling here. I kinda struggle. Oh wait, I don't want to use an engine. I have my own stuff. I have my own stuff. Jibba 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 jibba. Piper engine. New engine. Piper engine? Oh wait, Piper? Wait, don't tell me you have Piper. Don't tell me Piper works. How fast can it be? Okay, I guess this is something to actually look at properly. Must be installed independently. Ah.
Gute and welcome to.
It's a 60-minute video. Of course Piper couldn't have been installed, couldn't be installed simpler. Wait, do we have, oh. How do we, this is for how to set up for Windows. What if we are going for Linux? Okay, awesome shit. QE engine? Wait a minute, you have this engine? Oh, the 6 gigabytes of RAM, VRAM. Okay. Okay, this is something to actually look at. This might pay off. I don't know if it's gonna pay off too badly, too greatly, because we're already quite low on the milliseconds. We're already at the 300 plus 300-400 millisecond range. I don't know if this can actually beat that. But you know, hey, it works, it works. What's the speed though? What's your speed? Okay, I can't tell how fast it is, but I'm hoping it's fast. I don't know if that's loading model. Okay, what did it do? Oh, it loaded. Okay. If it's just open, huh? Maybe. If it doesn't need to do anything magical, it'll be fine. We might have to look in the real-time at TTS, I mean. The element size is not changing. Actually, it doesn't. I don't think it has many. Besides this C++ implementation, I don't think it has too many, competitors. Also, it's already at top of the line. The faster whisper is already great. So I'm kind of wondering if you can go beyond it. Or at least how much you can go beyond it. GPU acceleration, okay. Process multiple audio chunks simultaneously. It's not really that's not really the problem. I don't know if the audio chunk multiple simultaneous processing is worth it, even though we do have it, but it has a little benefit. But it has a little benefit because the issue is the initial start of the audio playback, not the subsequent audio playback. Once it gets going, it's fine, but before that, it's just it takes time. Okay, hardware optimization, there's not much to do there. Anticipatory TTS on partial alarm outputs. This is something that kind of has limitations on that how you expect us to feed it. Maybe Piper will end up paying off. Ooh, is this feed text? Huh. Oh, a system engine. What the hell is a system engine? Oh, it's the built-in stuff. Oh. Alright, I ain't complaining. That's gonna be very interesting. Feed and play. But what if we had others? Real-time streaming, okay. Define right string, okay, for chunk in create, okay. It's basically the same thing that I'm doing, but just not the same. Not the exact same. Right, oh, right, yield, okay, makes that, and then feed stream. Oh, I guess it, yeah. Oh, okay, so you can feed it basically a job, a yield job, a streaming response job. Okay, I don't have a problem with that. I assume it works. So async and sync, huh? There's actually a lot of leeway here. And it has a built-in player, so that's not. Oh, it has built-in player, built-in pause, built-in resume and stop. Huh. That might actually play off very greatly, because we can drop a lot of stuff then. Well, it'll become a legacy, but you get the point. I just wonder how much data we can feed. How fast we can feed the data. Oh, this seems like a plan. I'm gonna try. I am very excited. I'm very excited for this. Audio pre-buffering, maintain audio buffers for instant playback, cache frequent responses and audio segments. I don't know. I mean, the caching is fine, but I mean, the caching does have a point to it. Okay. We have a... We don't have really a solid plan, do we? Now, do we, huh? You know, the only plan is going back to... is reverting back to the service system. And that's about it. That's about the only plan we have. What's semaphore? Cause the... What was this speed on this? What was your speed? Bam. Okay. Well, let's not test it out. Actually, like it's hard to test. Which guy are you? Where are you, bro? Let's try run. Oh, it imploded. Wow. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Imploded immediately. Wow. Clean up. Just clean up. Okay. What happened? Who knows? Who knows? You have the logger information. I think it might be because our logger is different. Get logger. Where's my logger? Get logger. What's the current config for it? Do we have logging? Okay, let's do true. Yeah, true. Let's do a true. Okay. Okay, there it is. Dialog service. Uh-oh. And which universe did you mess up? 101. Okay. What the heck? Oh. Oh wait, oh. Okay. That's something, I guess. Okay, testing. Yeah, that's slow. It didn't even happen. Yeah, the callback was never awaited. Oh, right. Oh. 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 They work differently. I forgot. I forgot. Well, I don't know. I don't know if that's really an. I mean, do you need to be an. Wait. One worker. Because is there really anything that could differ? Not. Not really. That's the callback or whatever. Motherfucker exploded. But why? Await outside a function. Oh, where are you? Spisky put. Ah. Fine, whatever. It'll be easy to fix to change this. Alright, let's do this. It'll be a lot faster. Okay, test.
Oh, hi. I'm all about the melodrama tonight. Well, at least it was effective. The delay.
Test number 2.
Ellen Feo. Number 2 sounds tricky.
Test number 3.
Ellen Feo. Oh. Ellen Feo. Ah, it's so dramatic.
Test number 4.
That's for...
Test number 5.
Ellen Feo. Ellen Feo.
Test number 6.
Ellen Feo number 6.
Test number 7.
LMFAO. That's 7 indeed. LMFAO. Keep trying.
Test number 8.
LMFAO. Wow. LMFAO. So, why?
Test number 9.
LMFAO. So it seems that we are numbered.
Okay, there's no difference. There's not a whole lot of difference between the async and process versions. The async is between the, it's roughly within the 2-second range. And well, from these calculations, there are 1 second and 70. Wait, 1 second. 1 second and wait, is it 77 milliseconds? Oh, 1 second and 770 milliseconds. So 1,700, about 1,700 milliseconds, or a bit and up to 2,300 milliseconds. So it is within a range, but it's not really that different from the multiprocessing range. The multiprocessor is about 2 seconds as well, so that kind of just pointless. Oh. Gonna need to figure out something else for this, baby. I have an idea though. Ooh, I have something so devious. That's number 1.
Oh, I am thrilled to see your humor. Feo. Let me give you something to think about that might bring a similar glee, but perhaps in a less ostentatious form. Understanding the nuances of quantum physics can make one's eyes bulge out. Quite a grand spectacle indeed. Wouldn't you agree?
The fuck is happening there? That's number 2. Was imploded. Okay, that imploded. Not sure why. That's number 1.
Certainly. Ugh, and I'm more than ready for this test number 1 challenge. What an exciting opportunity to let loose our unique style and showcase our skills. We shall most assuredly not disappoint. Rather, we expect to excel and to make the most thrilling demonstration possible. If anything goes askew or off the rails, why, expected in these vibrant times?
That's number 2.
Giggling fits through laughter's curtains as it tickles the tender chords of mirth. Test 2 has been noted, but fret not. Each endeavor enriches the narrative's weave of experience and fun.
That's number 3.
LMFAO number 4. Let's see.
Not much difference.
Hello.
I think the Terminator is broken, but hardly the problem. Okay, the plan. I guess. I think one plan is to test out the real-time STT. No, real-time TTS. Jeez. I might cut down on our entire system overhead a lot. It has a lot of built-in stuff for itself, so that's probably the way to go. To be honest, that's probably the way. I think we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna save this, but I'm gonna first get to the. I'll first get the. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna get to that. I'll revert to the async for now, but or something, I don't know. I'll go for the real-time TTS, I think. So I'll go there. I'll fix my branches. Outside of this, okay. But it's kind of late. I gotta stop here. This is gonna be significantly shorter. But thanks for stopping by. Have a good one, and I'm gonna go eat and make especially Turkish. I'm gonna have a good one again. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. We'll eventually defeat this latency issue. Someday, somehow. Maybe it's just more processing power. Separate GPUs, baby. Everything. 3G. Imagine 3 GPUs. One for each one. One will handle the TTS. One will handle the LM, and one will handle the speech text. I mean, that would probably be the most efficient. Probably the most efficient, actually. And ironically, the most efficient way to deal with it. Like all process, and if they were significant quality, then latency, bye bye. But I think we can fix issues with this latency. But once we come back, next time I'll test out the real-time TTS, and if we have time, we'll test out the embeddings, the extra embeddings, the image stuff. Okay, bye bye.